one here, and there's... Is he actually doing double? Oh my god, this man is actually doing double snipers. He has a charge rifle and a sentinel. There's no way. Okay, I'm picking this up because I don't have a double mozam. I don't have a double mozam. This is fine. It's worth it. I have an excuse. Okay, and then I'll get the mozam here. Okay, guys? I'll get the mozam here, and I'll give the alternator to people. They don't... Oh, there they go. There we go. Alright. Take that. And then... What the fuck? There's a Kraber here. There's a Kraber guy here. I need a full heal. Why are they so far? Why are they so far? There's a guy right here. And there's a guy right here. The fuck? There's one team. And they're like not even next to each other. Oh my god. Can you guys heal up? Please. Please. Please fight with me, guys. I don't have many shots left. Right here. Push the Kraber. Push the Kraber. Kraber guy right here. Let's push him together. He's by himself. I'm gonna push him together. One. There we go. We did it. We pushed the Kraber. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh shit. At least the Kraber guy is gone. The Kraber guy is gone. Can't hurt us anymore. 3 bullets in a dream. Where the fuck is my sniper? All right, now I've ran out of bullets. Now this is your turn to shine. This is your turn. Here you go. Look, I know ammo at a tree. He was like so confused. He's like, the fuck are you doing with those nades? What the fuck are you doing? Oh my god, they were playing like such little bitches. After that, this disrespect. Use your mozam fist. Damn, Dracon, thanks. Grizzly, I don't know what the fuck you were doing. Thanks, man. I was in double mozam hell.